Good evening, everyone. Sri Narendra Modi changed the picture of the country. Now there is an atmosphere of progress and trust in the country. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi have changed the picture of India by working continuously for the country in the last 11 years. The image of the country has improved all over the world. Now there is an atmosphere of progress and trust in the country. Agriculture Minister Shyam Singh Rana was talking to journalists at the BJP office Mangal Kamlam on the completion of 11 years of Narendra Modi government. He said that today it has been 11 years since Sri Narendra Modi became the Prime Minister of the country. Earlier, Sri Modi was also the Chief Minister of Gujarat for 13 years, and this time is important for his working style. Due to the excellent work done by him in Gujarat, the people of the country made up their mind that now Modi is the right choice for the country. Only then people considered Sri Modi as the biggest option for the development of the country and made him the prime minister. He said that in accordance with the wishes of the people of India, Sri Narendra Modi have changed the face of the country in last 11 years. The image of the country has improved all over the world. Now there is an atmosphere of trust and progress in the whole country. He said that earlier when there was a Congress government in the country, scams used to come out every day. Corruption was at its peak. Till now, there are no such allegation against BJP. Sri Narendra Modi have brought about reforms in the country in 11 years. The previous government used to stop even the army from taking action. Now the Narendra Modi government has given a free hand to the army against terrorism, and the result of this it is that under Operation Sindoor a befitting reply has been given to the enemy of the nation. He said that today, thanks to Sri Narendra Modi's thinking, we have become Atmanirbhar India. Now we are making the weapons of the army ourselves. India had shown its strength to the world. The agriculture minister said that today the country is number 4 in the world in terms of economy. During the Congress rule, we were at 50 position. Minister Modi's ambitious schemes like Viksit Bharat, Stand Up India, Make in India, Made in India, Startup India, Mudra Loan, etc. have uplifted every section of the country, due to which the country's economy has strengthened during Mr. Modi's 11-year tenure. There has been significant improvement in all areas like road, rail and air, education, health, agriculture, electricity, etc. He said that to fulfill Mr. Narendra Modi's dream of development India by 2027, work is also going on Haryana under the leadership of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. Haryana will make a significant contribution in building a developed India, and the whole of Haryana is committed to this task. In the last 11 years, Haryana has also seen unprecedented development. The agriculture minister also planted saplings in Sanjarwas village under the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign. On this occasion, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan, MLA Umed Patuas, District President Sunil Engineer, District Journal Secretary Rajdeep, City Board President Neetu Goyal, Youth District Wide President Sumit Sharma, Medical Cell Sanjeev Madia, and other BJP officials were also present there. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.